Michael, thank you again for your interest in the tip and clicker press. I'm going to demonstrate the clicker press cutting with three types of dies. First type of die is 1.25 inch high forged die. This is also called a feed through die. Second type of die is 1.25 inch high clicker die. This is the type of die we build in-house. The third type of die that I'm going to demonstrate is the .937 steel rule die. Now this type of die is a die that's mounted in wood, has ejection foam in it. This type of die is designed to cut normally just one layer at a time, but you can do more intricate shapes with this type of die. This is a snowflake, I believe. There's a lot of linear inches in this die. So first I will demonstrate the forged die. Take the die, put it on top of the material, slide it in, take it out. You can hear it click. And you'll see we get a nice clean cut, okay? Now the second type of die that I'm going to use, and that was on the 18-ounce material. The second type of die that I'm going to cut with is the clicker die. And again, with this die, I'm going to cut through 8 layers again with the clicker die. Set the die on top of the material, called die blade down, okay? We'll slide everything in, click it out. And you'll see we get a nice clean cut. That's with the clicker die that we build in-house. And now that was on the 22-ounce material. Now the last type of die that I'm going to show you is the steel rule die. Now this, again, was done with that snowflake die, okay? Very intricate pattern. As you can see, we got a nice clean cut. There's the sheet that we actually cut out of. Now with that type of die, you would use the die on the bottom facing blade up. There's a couple different ways to mount the board. For simplicity's sake this time, I'm going to use clamps and mount it to the top with clamps. We also have mounting holes on all 4 corners of the press to mount it. So we'll take the material, and we'll put the material on top of the die. We'll slide it in and click it out. I'm going to hold it for a second because the pattern is so large. And then, now with this material, you sort of have to go through then and pull it off. But the whole thing did cut, as you can see in the piece that I had shown you before. So the whole shape cuts out. We get a nice clean cut with that die. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to send you the video link. I'm also going to send the cut samples back to you, and I will give you a call to discuss. Thank you.